What's up, i2 Future family? Today, we're diving into why Apple's upcoming TV 4K could finally break through and become a mainstream hit after nearly 2 decades of being a niche product. Here's something that might surprise you. The Apple TV actually came out before the iPhone. Yeah, you heard that right. Apple's been working on this for almost 20 years, and for most of that time, they literally called it a hobby project. But things are different now. The current Apple TV 4K is sitting at just $129, the most affordable it's ever been. You can even split that into payments if you want. But here's the thing. When every smart TV already comes with Netflix, Disney+, and all the streaming apps built right in, why would you spend extra money on a separate box? Well, I think 2025 might be the year that changes. And here's why. First up, Apple TV Plus is absolutely crushing it right now. We've got Severance Season 2 dropping soon. The studio just launched. Your Friends and Neighbors, the new Stick series. Then you've got Murderbot and Smoke doing really well too. Now, Apple TV Plus alone isn't going to make millions of people run out and buy an Apple TV. But here's where it gets interesting. It's creating what marketing people call a halo effect. You know how when you love your iPhone, you're more likely to consider an iPad or MacBook? Same thing here. People are falling in love with Apple TV Plus content, and that's making them more interested in Apple's hardware. And the timing is perfect. This fall, when the new Apple TV 4K launches, Apple TV Plus is dropping some major content. We're talking F1 the movie, Slow Horses Season 5, The Morning Show Season 4, The Lost Bus, and a bunch more shows that are probably going to be huge hits. But here's the second reason why this Apple TV might actually take off. And this one's kind of frustrating. Other streaming devices and smart TVs are getting absolutely flooded with ads. Roku literally forces you to watch ads before you can even get to your home screen. Can you imagine? You turn on your TV and before you can do anything, boom, advertisement. Other companies are stuffing ads right into the home screen interface. Now look, some people will put up with this because, hey, it keeps the device costs down. But if you're someone who's getting really tired of ads everywhere you look, the Apple TV 4K starts looking pretty appealing. Clean interface, no forced ads, just a premium experience. So you've got Apple TV plus creating buzz and getting people interested in the Apple ecosystem, plus growing frustration with ad-heavy competitors. That's a pretty good recipe for success. Now, will the Apple TV 4K ever be as big as the iPhone or iPad? Probably not. But for the first time in almost 20 years, all the pieces are lining up for this thing to actually go mainstream. What do you think? Are you getting tired of ads on your streaming devices? Are you watching any Apple TV Plus shows that might make you consider their hardware? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest tech news and analysis, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We got tons more content coming your way. Thanks for watching i2 Future, and I'll catch you in the next one.